Okay, welcome everyone. This is your professor, Dr. EYPEI ZANTUA, and we are on our course, Principles of Steel Design. So, Principles of Steel Design is actually a major subject of civil engineering going into a specialized program of structural engineering. So I would like to give you the class rules, management, and other things so that we can start properly. So in our curriculum based civil engineering, this subject is called CE E6, no? CE E6, wherein we have 3 hours of lecture and 2 hours of laboratory. So meaning, I would deliver something, discussion, lectures, and after which we will have 2 hours of laboratory. What do we mean by laboratory? We mean that students' participation is the focus of laboratory. Okay, so while in the lecture, the teacher's delivery of knowledge would be the focus. In the laboratory, it is the student. Now, since it is a student focus in laboratory hours, it could mean problem solving, it could mean practice, it could mean using something, tools, devices, in order to perform something. Okay, so that is what we mean by laboratory in the context of this subject. Okay. Okay. So we will be meeting once a week. So therefore, 5 hours per week. So until the end of the semester. So we are now currently on our second semester. So, and I'm your professor, Dr. EYPEI ZANTUA. I would be handling this course from this day, start up to the end of the sem. And we are already given the student list of enrolled. No? So we are about how many? We are about 46. Okay, we are about 46 students. So we are a big class. Okay, so if ever we will have face-to-face, definitely we will have a face-to-face, I think. No? We will maybe divide the class into 2 because of the size. Okay, taking into account the necessity of social distancing. I am clear. Somebody please confirm. Do you hear my sound? Do you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will just continue. So let me continue. I recorded this one so that those students who are not around today would still be able to take this lecture today, to take this first meeting, okay, by viewing it into our playlist. I will make a playlist for this specific course, okay, on my channel. So you have to tap there, and what you will do, since I'm not only handling this subject, I am also handling 3 other civil engineering subjects, okay? So since I would be handling CE dito, engineering utilities, electrical and mechanical, I also will handle highway and railroad engineering, and principles of reinforced and pre-stressed concrete design. So you would have to prepare. You would have to prepare four different accounts. Okay, and use that account specifically for each and every subject. Just like what I'm doing. I am separating folder for the subject, and the subject. Okay, so that we will not mix up. So there are things that we should not mix up, like attendance, class participation, because maybe some of you are actively participating in 2 or 3 subjects only, and not really participating on the other one. Okay, so I would like to separate the records. Okay, so you have to also make 4 different accounts that you will use for each and every different courses. Okay, so in this course, we will use this account of mine. So you also have, as a student, expected to make a specific account or email, no? Gmail. Let us use Gmail, or are other email sites able to enter the GC? For example, if you have Yahoo email, for example, if you have other email site rather than Gmail, is it possible to enter the GC? Is it possible to enter the Zoom? So that is my problem. That's why I would like you to allot each and every account for particular course. So I would be sharing my screen. So let us go on to the requirements of the course. Okay, so I would repeat that this is the course code CE E6, Principles of Steel Design, or in short, PSD. So we will call it PSD. This is a new course actually, because you are new curriculum. So before it is only called Steel Design. So new curriculum, it is called principle of steel design. So there is some changes in the name of the course. So principle of steel design, we call it PSD. Okay, let us call PSD in short. And again, I would like to put into record, because it is a new recording. We will have 5 hours per week. We will meet every week, Tuesday from 12 noon to 6 p.m. with a 1 hour gap for rest. Okay, 1 hour gap between, I think the 1 hour gap is 3 to 4. So we have a 1 hour gap. Okay, so 12 to 6 every Tuesday. And that means we have lecture hours of 3, and we have lab hours 2 hours per week. So as I have said, laboratory means we have practice, we have actual use of tools, devices. So meaning it is all about students' activity. Okay, students' activity. Problem solving by a student as a practice, okay, is included as an activity, and therefore it can be called laboratory. Okay, so we will still look for equipment if we have, and if not, we will take a look into some other form of ways or means to usefully take our 2 hours of laboratory per week. Okay. So I would remind Manggao, you are not listening. Please rename your account properly. Surname, first name. Okay. And as I've mentioned a while ago, we will take the attendance before and after the class. So one of our student would screenshot the attendance. Okay. So I will share the other requirements of the course. Okay, for example, it is important for you to know how you would be graded. So there are always, time and again, 1, 2, or 3 students every sem that are asking, sir, why I am graded this much? Why I am graded like this? Okay, so maybe he or she has a different expectation, and it is better, and I am doing this every sem. I start with informing the student what are the requisites of grades, what are the criteria. Okay.